Okay. Now as per the problem, we send goods to S 50,000 rupees goods sent on consignment. So Secunderabad consignment account data to goods sent on consignment. Native place of consignee that are fixed before the consignment. So yes, native place is Secunderabad, so Secunderabad consignment account. This is the first entry, being the goods sent on consignment. Next, second entry, Secunderabad consignment account data to cash account, means being the expenses paid, consignor expenses. These are the consignor expenses. This is the second entry. And consignor amount paid per consignment, so Secunderabad consignment account data to cash account. Next, third one, bills receivable account data to S account. S is the giver, bills receivable is asset, what comes in debit, so bills receivable account data to S account. Next, and fourth date, the bill is discounted by the consignor at 29,500 rupees, discount is 500 rupees. This is given in the problem. So cash account data, discount account data to bills receivable. This is the, and being the bill discounted with bank. Next, fifth transaction, Secunderabad consignment account data to sales account, S account. Secunderabad consignment account data to S account means consignee account. So consignee is also paying expenses 2,000 rupees cartage. So Secunderabad consignment account data to S account. Next, and sixth transaction, it is for sales. Consignee is selling, and so S account data to Secunderabad consignment account. Why S account is debited? Means the amount is received by the S, so S is the debtor here, so and receiver debit. Consignment account, Secunderabad consignment account credit. This is the sixth entry, this is the fifth entry. Next, after that, and commission will be chargeable. Commission is payable to consignee. So Secunderabad consignment account data to S account. Why Secunderabad consignment account is debited? Means the commission is expenses to Secunderabad consignment account. So Secunderabad consignment account is debited. S is, and receivable means S is the creditor in this place. So S account will be created. Next, and after preparation of consignment account, we get the profit or loss. After preparation of consignee account, we get the balance due to consignor, balance due from consignee, whatever it may be. It is find out through consignee account. Okay. Next, as per this problem, and we are preparing ledger account, consignment ledger account. So in Secunderabad consignment account, you have to record two goods sent on consignment. Amount is 50,000 rupees. This is goods sending on consignment. First one. Next, second one, for consignor expenses to cash account, amount is 4,000 rupees. Why? Because as per the ledger problem, and which ledger you are preparing, it is appear on the debit side, you have to record on the debit side with credit aspect. Here also Secunderabad consignment account appear on the debit side, so I am record on the debit side to cash account. So this is the cash account for consignee consignor expenses. Next, advance by bills receivable amount is 30,000 rupees. So this is the per advance. Next, no entries record in consignment account or consignee account as per the fourth. Why? Because there is no consignment account, there is no S account. No need to record in consignment account as well as S account. Next, come to the fifth, consignee expenses. So Secunderabad consignment account data to S account. Amount is 2,000 rupees. Next, for sales, S account data to Secunderabad consignment account. As per the ledger principle, which account we are preparing, that account is created. It should be record on the credit side. So by S account. Amount is 72,000 rupees. Next commission, Secunderabad consignment account data to S account. So here also S account per commission amount is 3,000 rupees. And first of all total them, which side is the highest amount? 72,000. Next 72,000. So credit is more than the debit. It called profit or loss account. Amount is 72,000 minus 54, 56, 59,000. The difference is 0, 0, 0, 12 ante 3, next 1, 6 minus 5, 1. 13,000 rupees is profit. This is the consignment account. Come to the consignee account. So there is a profit 13,000 rupees. 13,000 rupees being the profit on consignment. Profit on consignment. Next, and you have to find out balance due from consignee, due to consignee, whatever it may be. Then we are preparing S account. Here also S account, here also S account, here also S account. 3 S accounts are recorded in S account with the name of Secunderabad consignment account. 2 Secunderabad consignment account. For sales, this is the for sale. Next 72,000 rupees. By for expenses, Secunderabad consignment account. Amount is 2,000 rupees. For commission, Secunderabad consignment. Amount is 3,000 rupees. First total them. Almost all debit is more than the credit. 72,000 rupees. 72,000 rupees. By bank. Why? Because in the problem they are mentioned especially the balance and due sent by draft. So 37,000 rupees is balance and paid by the consignee to consignor through bank draft. Next, so you have to write 37,000 rupees. 37,000 rupees being the amount received. Amount received. amount received. This is the for ninth. This is the bank account data to S account. Last account to trading account. This is for and amount is 50,000 rupees by Secunderabad consignment. Consignment 50,000 rupees. So total 50,000 rupees. There is no place for entry. In last entry in the books of consignor, goods sent on consignment account data to trading account. Why? Because what are the amounts are purchased in that purchases from sending on consignment, so it must be transferred to trading account. So goods sent on consignment account data to trading account. This is the last entry in the consignor books. After completion of all ledger accounts, final entry it will be there. Next. Now come to the consignor ledger accounts or consignor books. First entry, V account data to bills payable. This is for advance given by the consignee. V is the receiver, debit, bills payable is, and real account what goes out credit. Next, V account data to cash account means consignee is paying cash on behalf of consignor. So V account data to cash account. Next, and sales cash account data to V account means the goods is and V. So V is the owner. So V is and creditor for this transaction point of view. So and V account is credited. Next, commission V account data to commission account. V is and payable commission to consignee. So V is the debtor in case of expenses paid, in case of commission paid. Last one, find out through this account. First, two bills payable per advance. Amount is 30,000 rupees. Next, expenses to cash account. Amount is 2,000 rupees. Next, sales by cash account. Amount is 72,000 rupees for sales. Next, commission to commission. You know the rule, which account we are preparing. The account is appear on the debit side, you have to record on the debit side. Which account you are preparing, account is appear in credit side, you have to record on credit side. So in case of bills payable, in case of expenses, in case of commission, in three condition V account is debited. So 3 will be debited in the V account debit side. Third transaction per sale, cash account data to V account is credited here. So you have to record on the credit side by cash account 72,000 rupees. First total them 72,000 rupees. 72,000 rupees. The difference is 3,000 rupees commission, difference is 37,000 rupees to bank account. It is difference between 72,000 and 65,000 rupees. Sorry, 35,000. 72,000 minus 35,000 rupees. The difference is 37,000 rupees. So this is the entry. V account data to bank account 37,000 rupees being the balance sent by draft. This is. Another one is asking in the problem, prepare account sales. Account sales nothing but and details about the sales made by the consignee, expenses paid by the consignee, commission and receivable by the consignee, advance given by the consignee, all details in the sales account or account sales. Account sales. Account sales is prepared by the consignee, sent to consignor. It is a statement details about the sales, consignee expenses, consignee commission, consignee advance and what are the balance sent to consignor that shows in the account sales statement. This is the account sales. Goods proceeds from sales 72,000 rupees, consignee cartage expenses 2,000 rupees, consignee commission 3,000 rupees. From 72,000 rupees deduct 5,000 rupees, we get the 67,000 rupees. From 67,000 rupees advance 30,000 you are deducted and the net balance due 37,000 is sent through bank draft. This is the entry. So the S is preparing the consignee account sales consignee. So consignee signature will be here. It is for only signature purpose. I am accepting all the details. So this is the account sales pro forma. Thank you.